Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 3 subject grammar. So before we start with our video, as you all know, I discuss some important points with you every day that are very much important for all of us because that are the precautions that we all have to take during these days. So the first and foremost thing that I tell you is about cleanliness. Cleanliness is something which is very important for our health. If you keep your surroundings neat and clean, then there are very less chances of you falling ill. See that you keep your body neat and clean. Also wear neat and clean clothes. And also see that you keep your posture straight while walking or while sitting. Sit straight and walk straight. Avoid eating junk food. It may harm your health, especially during this time of pandemic. Eat homemade food, eat hot food, don't eat stale food, and see that you also take care of the elders in your family. Obey them, do as they say. The thought for today: your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. So what is the meaning of this thought? It means that the garden which you have seen already, you have been to garden, I suppose. So your mind is like a garden. You can just think positive or negative, it is up to you. Your thoughts are the seeds. Seeds, it is something from where the plant grows. So when you have good thought, your life will grow out to be good. You will have a good life ahead. But if you plant weeds, if you grow weeds, then your life will be full of negativity. You have to be positive. You have to think positive. You have to think good. Everything good will happen with you. So that means you are growing flowers. And your life will bloom like flowers. Your life will blossom. So see that you plant flowers. You think positive always. The content that we shall learn in today's video. Lesson number 7, articles. We have already completed this lesson, the textual part. So today we shall revise the lesson and we will also solve the worksheet based on this lesson, articles. You have to write along with the video. So let us begin. So on a new page you have to give the heading, you have to write along with the video as I told you before. So see that you have to write on a new page and don't miss anything of whatever you learned during the video. If you write down, later on after watching the video, you can revise it. So it is very important for you to write down. Heading you will give using a, an and the. These are the 3 articles that we have learned in the lesson. Which are the 3 articles? A, an, the. So today we will solve the worksheets based on this lesson which we have completed. The textual part is over. Now we are solving the worksheets. So what are articles? We have learnt. So just we'll summarize the articles before we start with the worksheet. What have we learned in the lesson? We have learnt about articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. Again, what is the definition? What is the meaning of the word articles? An article is a word that comes before a noun. Noun is a naming word, like your name. Like you say table, chair. These are nouns. They are common nouns. So article is something which comes before. Before noun there will be an article like a chair, a table, an orange, etc. So now you will write this definition in your notebook. I hope you have already written. Some of you might have already written. So it's very good if you have written already. If not, then please write it now. An article is a word that comes before a noun. This is the definition. Now the examples. You will write any 2 examples which are given over here. The boy, a bee, an apple. So as you can see, here is the image of a boy. The boy. Why do we say the boy? Because it is only one boy over here. We are talking about one particular boy. I know I am talking about one particular boy. For example, Raj. So he is only one boy who is standing there. That's why the. A bee. a honeybee you can say. There is only one. Can you see more than one? No. So a bee means only one bee is flying over here. Then an apple. Now why do we add an before apple? Because apple starts with A. A is a vowel. We have learnt previously while we learnt the lesson A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels. Rest remaining all are consonants. So apple starts with A sound, A is a vowel, that's why we say an apple. So these are the 3 examples. I suppose you have already written the examples along with this definition. Now, when to use article A? Article A is used before a word that has a consonant sound. This is also something which we have learnt, but you do have to write it because now we are going to solve some new worksheets, new exercises. So you have to write this page. Where do we use article A? Used before consonant sound. What is consonant? There are 21 consonants we have learnt except for A, E, I, O, U. Means you have to remove A, E, I, O, U from A, B, C, D, and the remaining all, the rest of all the alphabets are consonants. So when you see a consonant sound, you have to use article A. For example, a B. So B starts with the alphabet B. B is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So we use article A B, because it starts with B, alphabet B is a consonant, it is not a vowel. Then where to use article N? Article N is used before a word that has a vowel sound. As I just told you over here, an apple. So apple starts with the sound of A. Apple, we say A in the beginning. So an apple, because A is a vowel. So there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. If there is a vowel sound, then we use article N before the word. Then when do we use article the? Article the is used when there is a specific person, place or thing. Specific means one and only one. When we are talking about one person, any one place or any one thing. Like for example, it is already given over here, the boy. So we are talking about one boy who is standing there. No other boy, only one. So the boy. Then you can talk about the place. Any place which is one and only one. For example, you say the Mahdi school. Then a thing, any one thing. I am sitting on the second bench. So second bench is only one where I am sitting. I am talking about only one bench where I am sitting. So I will say the second bench. And it is also used with the nouns which are only one. Like sun is there, moon. These are one. There are not 2 of these. Like we say the sun or the moon. So even at that places we use article the. So this was just a brief summary of what we have learnt. Now I hope you have already written this page in your notebook along with the definition. So now we are going to solve the worksheet. We are going to solve some new exercises which were not there in your textbook. Now on the new page you have to write the exercises which we are solving, the worksheets that we are solving. It is compulsory for you to write so that you can revise the lesson along with the video. Read the passage below. Circle A and the as used here. So they have given a passage over here. See, there is one paragraph which is given over here of 6 lines. We have to read the passage, we have to read that paragraph, and we have to circle the articles A and the. These are the 3 articles. Everywhere, means wherever you see the articles which are used A and the, we have to find them out and we have to circle these articles. So I will read and you will read along with me and you will write the answers whichever line you see. For example, in line 1 you see article, you will write number 1 and then you will write articles. In line number 2 if you see any articles, you will write in a new line number 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 lines and you will also write the answers in 6 lines. The answer of the first line you will write, then in the second line you will write answer in a new line. So let us read. Once a king lived in a grand palace. So is there any article over here? Yes, there are articles which are used. Article A is used over here and over here. So we shall circle that and you will write it in your book. Article A is used twice over here. So see, I have circled this for you. You have to write this in the first line. Article a king, a grand palace. Then the palace was surrounded by a beautiful orchard. There was a beautiful orchard, there was a beautiful garden. So the palace was surrounded by a beautiful orchard. Is there any article? Yes, the article given over here is the palace and a beautiful orchard. So here article A is given. So we'll circle that. So as you can see, I have circled both the articles. Article the, over here the palace, a beautiful orchard. So article A, I have circled it over here. Then you will write this in the second line, because in the first line we got 3, A and the. In the second line we have got 1. Then there was an apple tree that bore golden apples in the orchard. There was an apple tree that bore golden apples in the orchard. So now there are more than one article. See, there was an apple tree. Over here you see an article an that bore golden apples in the orchard. Again over here article the. So let us circle this too. So now as you can see, I have circled over here an apple. I have circled an is an article, and over here article the is circled. So in the second line we got 2. Over here article A and over here article N. In the first line we had got 3. Second line we got 2. In the third line yet we have got only one article the. Let us continue reading. One day the king found that someone was stealing the golden apples from the tree. One day the king found that someone was stealing the golden apples from the tree. So where is the article? Over here article the. Then in the next line we see over here again article the is given, and over here again article the is given. So let us circle this, all the articles. So over here as you can see, I have circled article the. Again in the next line I have circled article the, and over here again article the. So now in the third line we got two articles. See, the and the. First line we had got 3, second line we had got 2, in the third line again we got 2, but in the fourth line we got only one article, that is article the. Next, he was furious and sent his guards to catch the thief, but the guards could not find him. Over, the paragraph over. So now can you see any articles? Over here he was furious and he sent his guards to catch the thief. Again we see article the over here. Article the is given. Then the guards, again article the is given over here. So we have to circle this too. So here I have circled. You can just write in the answer. See, in the fifth line we got only one, that is article the, definite article the. Then there is no other article in the fifth line. But in the sixth line again we got 2, that is the and the. So finally we completed reading the paragraph. What was the paragraph about? The paragraph was about a king. King lived in a grand palace, a very big palace. And what was there surrounding the palace? The palace was surrounded by orchard. Orchard means there was a beautiful garden. And what was there in orchard? There was an apple tree, and we can see that the apple tree had golden apples, not the normal ones but the golden apples. Then one day what happened? The king found that someone was stealing the golden apples. There was a thief and someone was stealing it. Someone was taking the golden apples away without the permission of the king. So the king was furious, the king got angry, and what did he do? He sent his guards, he sent his servants to catch the thief. that go and bring that person. Who is he? But the guards could not find him. But the guards failed. They could not find the thief. So this is the paragraph. Next. Now the next heading you will leave a line and you will give the heading use a, an or the correctly in the blanks below. Now here we have fill in the blanks and we have to use article a, an or the. We have already understood the rules of article a and the. So now we shall write the answers for these 5 blanks. Let us read and understand which article is to be used in which particular blank. So the first answer is already given to you. See what is given. We were planting a rose bush near our house. So bushes are the small plants we know. So rose is a type of bush. We were planting a rose bush near our house. So the speaker says that they were planting a rose bush, only one. Why is the article a used over here? Because they were only planting one rose bush. So article a is used for singular noun. Article a and both are singular nouns. They are used for one thing, one person. So here only one thing is there, a rose bush. Only one small plant of rose that is planted near the house. So a rose bush. Then R is a consonant. We know that with consonant sounds we use article a. With vowel sounds we use article n. But here rose. So R is a consonant. It is not a vowel. Next. You have to write the full sentences in your notebook. See that you are writing. Dash gardener helped us for dash R. So gardener is the person who takes care of your garden. So dash gardener helped us for dash R. Here we have to write article a, an or the. So who helped us? What do we have to write over here? A gardener, because only one gardener was there. One garden has only one gardener who takes care of his garden. So here a gardener, article a will come because here G is given. G is a consonant. It is not a vowel. With consonant sounds we use article a. So a gardener. Then dash R. Now I had told you before H-O-U-R. R we do not pronounce H. H is silent over here. So we say R. What do we say? R. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So here H is silent alphabet and we pronounce the word with O. We say R. So that is vowel sound. It is not a consonant sound. H is silent, so it is vowel sound R. So we write N R. Article N will be used over here. So here you can see I have written the answer. A gardener helped us for an hour. Third blank. Dash gardener was very helpful. Dash gardener was very helpful. Now can you see something? See, do you notice one thing? Gardener was used over here. The word gardener is used over here again. It is repeated over here in the next line. The same word gardener is repeated in the next line. So when the word is repeated in the same paragraph, then we have to use article the, because it is repeated word. What did I say? When the same word gardener is repeated a second time, we have to use article the for repeated words. So here is the third answer. You can note down. Question you have already written, I suppose. So the gardener was very helpful. A gardener helped us for an hour means 1 hour. The gardener was very helpful person. Then next, it was dash enjoyable thing to do together. It was dash enjoyable thing. Now over here, after the blank, the word which is given is enjoyable, means you like that thing a lot. They were planting the rose bush and it was enjoyable thing for them. Enjoyable, this word starts with E. E is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So E is a vowel. It has a vowel sound A. Enjoyable we say. So with vowel sound we use article N. With vowel sound we use article N. That's why we have to write over here an enjoyable thing. So you can write the answer in the fourth blank also. An enjoyable thing. It was an enjoyable thing to do together. They all got together and planted the rose bush in the garden. Next and the last, we sang dash song as we planted dash bush. So they all together they sang a song. How many songs did they sing? They sang one song. So we sang a song. Article A will come over here because song, the alphabet S is given. It is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So because it is a consonant, we have to use article A in the blank. We sang a song as we planted the bush. Why do we use article the over here? Because this word bush is repeated. See, in the first line the word is given bush, rose bush. So that word has been repeated over here in the last line. This is whole one paragraph, you can say. I have made 5 sentences, but this is whole one paragraph. So the word bush is repeated a second time. So we say the bush. Like gardener was repeated second time. So we used the gardener. Same way over here, the bush. So here are the answers. Both the answers I have written in the last blank. We sang a song as we planted the bush. So while they were planting the bush, they were all singing the song. So now I hope you have understood the whole paragraph. These 5 sentences makes a paragraph. It is about planting trees in your surroundings. You should also plant a bush, maybe a rose bush or any other bush, whichever you like. We were planting a rose bush near our house. A gardener helped us for an hour. The gardener was very helpful. It was an enjoyable thing to do together. We sang a song as we planted the bush. So you have written the answers, I suppose. Next. So next heading you will give again use article A or N in the blanks. Now this time we have to use only 2 articles. Which are the 2 articles that we have to use? Article A or N. Only these 2 articles you are supposed to use. There is no the given in the blanks. We have to use A or N in the blanks. Only these 2 articles are allowed. Don't use the. So there are 5 blanks. You have to write all the questions. So copy all the questions and then we'll start writing the answers. Please copy all the questions. So let us start. See, the images have been given for your knowledge. The images have been given so that you can identify the objects which are there in the question. Number 1. Dash orange. Dash orange. So here is the image of orange. It is a fruit. What is the spelling? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. The spelling of orange starts with O sound. O. Orange. So O is a vowel. 5 vowels we know. O is a vowel. So what do we write over here? An orange. Because O is a vowel. With vowels we use article N. So you have to write the answer. Please write it. An orange. Why did I write A capital? Because A, it is the first alphabet. So it is capital. An orange. It is the first alphabet in the sentence. Actually this is a phrase, not the sentence. But though it is the first alphabet, so I have written A, capital, an orange. Next, dash apple. Dash apple. Here is the image of apple. Again we know the spelling of apple. It starts with article A. So we say apple. Apple is, you can say it starts with a vowel sound. So whenever it starts with vowel sound, we use article N. So let us write over here. Why did we write N? An apple. Because apple starts with A sound. A is a vowel. So an apple. There is the image. Next. Dash umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella is over here. It is used especially during this rainy season. You all might be using this umbrella while you go out if it is raining. It protects you from sun and rain. So dash umbrella. What do we write? A or N? Yes, I am sure you have given the correct answer. We have to write an umbrella. Because umbrella starts with U sound. U is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. Umbrella. We say a. Umbrella. So we have to write article N over here. So here is the answer, an umbrella. Please write the answer. Next, dash rabbit. Dash rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Here is the image of rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow. You know that, you have already seen rabbit. It is a very cute animal, but it is the animal which will run away if you try to go near it. Dash rabbit. Rabbit starts with the alphabet R. What is the spelling? R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. It starts with R, and R is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we say a rabbit. We don't say an rabbit. We say a rabbit. So see the answer, you can check. I have written a rabbit. Next, fifth one and the last one, dash bus. Here is the image of bus. Dash bus. Now the spelling of bus, it starts with B, and B is a consonant. B-U-S, bus. So what do you think we should write over here, A or N? Of course we should write article A, because B-U-S, bus starts with B. It is not a consonant. It is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So again we write article A. So here is the answer, a bus, because it starts with B, that is a consonant sound. Next, now see, we have written all the 5 answers. I'll just speak up so that you can write down if you have not written. An orange, an apple, an umbrella, a rabbit, a bus. So the next worksheet you have, give the heading, choose the correct answer, A, N or some. Now here we have A, N or some. See, article A, N are used for singular, some is used for more than one. So let us write, see, dash cakes. Cakes, you cannot write a cakes, N cakes. Cakes, here it is given, there are 2 cakes. So it is more than one. So what do we write? Some cakes. So here is the answer I have written, some cakes, because there are 2 cakes. So you cannot write N cakes, a cakes, more than one. So we write some. Dash pencil. Again the pencil is only one. So what do we write? A pencil. Pencil starts with P. It is a consonant. So I have written a pencil. Next, dash airplane. Airplane starts with A. A is a vowel. So we write article N. An airplane. So write the answer, an airplane. Next, number 4, dash cats. Over here you can see there are 2. Means it is more than one. So we write some cats. We cannot write A or N, because cats are more than one. So we write some cats. See, the answer is written over here, S-O-M-E, some cats. Then next, dash watch. How many watches are there? Only one. So we write a watch. W is a consonant, that's why. So here we have written a watch. Dash shoe. How many shoes? Only one shoe it is. So a shoe. Dash ice cream. Ice cream starts with I. I is a vowel. So we write an ice cream. Here is the answer I have written, an ice cream. Dash snowman. How many are there? There are 2 snowmen. So we write some snowmen. Then dash alligators. Alligators are 2. More than one alligators. So we write some alligators. So there is the answer, some alligators. More than one. So we write some. Then what is given? Dash elephant. How many? Only one. But here it starts with E sound. E is a vowel. So we write an elephant. Then next, dash shoes. Now first there was only one shoe. Now there are 2 shoes. So what do we write? Some shoes. Then dash train. How many trains can you see over here? Only one train is given. So we write a train. Dash ant. One ant is given over here. Only one ant, but it starts with article A. See, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. It starts with a vowel sound. So we write an ant, because it starts with vowel A. So here is the answer, an ant. Dash car. How many cars can you see in the image? Only one car is given. So we write a car. So here is the answer. So we complete the exercise, the worksheets of articles A and the. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope you have written all the answers, and you will revise the video. You will note down everything one time, and you will learn the lesson nicely. Please take care of yourselves. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. Thank you for watching my video.